Presenting the 2002 Saturn SL Class. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include security system, daytime running lights, bucket seats, AC, passenger adjustable lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, intermittent wipers, and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.